Okay, I'm just gonna say it one time. If I catch any of y'all pulling the fifth wheel pin on truckers, just like this just happened. This just happened now. He just walked into the shop. If I catch anybody pulling fifth wheel pins out of trailers so that trucks drop their damn trailer, I'm gonna beat the out of you.
What's going on, Mutha Truckers? We're back at this topic once again. I've honestly had about probably 15 truck drivers send me this link, so I have to give a couple people credit. The first link was from Truck Hustler, and this video, I've actually seen this video before, but all y'all, if you're on Instagram, social media, go follow Truck Hustler. Always has the craziest trucking videos. But this video was filmed by Not Irish Trucker 92. Make sure you follow him on TikTok. And basically in this situation, he says that he saw the truck driver get out of the truck stop parking, go into a repair shop, come back, try to leave, and then his trailer hits the ground. That means only one thing. You know, first thing first, you got to take some responsibility, people. We got to do our pre-trips. We got to do our post-trips. You got to check it. You can't trust anybody. Sometimes it's just faulty equipment. But he's saying right here that if he sees anybody ever pulling someone's kingpin, you know, he calls it fifth wheel pin, then he will get aggressive and let them know. Mutha Truckers, if you're ever trying to pull someone's kingpin, fifth wheel pin per se, and do it as a joke, this is no laughing matter. People will get really pissed off. And some would say that there is a reason why someone pulled his pen. But overall, we only have each other. We got to protect each other. Mutha Truckers, all I'm saying is, wherever you park, I don't care if you've gone in for a second, 2 seconds, you could have accidentally cut someone off, pissed someone off, and at the end of it all, you got to check your equipment. So even though it could have been someone else's fault that physically did it, and that person, that's a POS, you still got to check your equipment. Mutha Truckers, comment down below. What are your thoughts about this? Tell me the truth. Have you ever experienced this? Have you ever seen this? Some people say it's almost like a unicorn, that they hear about this all the time, but they never actually see someone pull someone's kingpin. But overall, I think that we have to show this once again, because Mutha Truckers are talking about it and just tell me about it. And we need to let people know that this ain't right. Mutha Truckers, comment down below. Go follow Truck Hustler. Go follow Not Irish Trucker 92. Mutha Truckers, I wish you well. And please don't be the person pulling that kingpin, and don't be the one causing trouble. You know, I'll talk to you guys soon.